Hey yo, what's going on everybody? My name is Dylan, you guys are chilling with Dylan, and today we got a brand new unboxing for you guys. If you know by the box, yeah, that's right, it's another Nike SB Dunk Low. I wanted to say also a huge shout out to Blue Tile Skateboards and David Blue Tile over at Blue Tile Skateboards. He has a YouTube channel and an Instagram page and all that good stuff. I actually was able to hit one of the first come first serves on the Shock Job channel that he has over on Instagram. So big shout out to him. Thank you for selecting me and sending me over the invoice so I can purchase my personal pair. So the size tag reads Nike SB Dunk Low Pro. This is the black, white, and black as far as the color scheme goes. And I got my size 11.5. Now I will say I already tried these things on. These things do run a little snug, and I probably honestly should have grabbed a size 12. I have other Nike SBs, and they don't fit as snug as these for some reason. So I probably should have sized up and got a size 12, just so you guys know for your sizing tips if you're interested. Here is that size tag as previously mentioned right there. And we do have the purple Nike SB box. As soon as you open up the box, you're going to get greeted with the shoes. Now, these shoes, okay, have been restocking all over the place. So if you do want these things, you should be able to cop them. And they don't go for much over, retail. So these things aren't like hot sellers on the aftermarket or anything like that. You do get the Nike SB sticker in the box. And then, like I said, we got the shoes right here. So like I said, they don't go for much over retail, which is a good thing because these are meant to obviously skateboard in. They're supposed to originally be very accessible to the public, especially people who are skating in these things every day. It's kind of like they wanted to overproduce these things so you can have a couple different colorways for the Nike SB in your collection. So these things are released alongside of a white, black, and gum pair, and then these are the black, white, and gum pair. So it's going to be a pretty quick unboxing and review for you guys. So let us get right into it. So you're going to get all over nubuck, all over the shoe. It's actually a really nice nubuck as well. You're going to get some of that different motion action going on that toe box. Really nice nubuck right there. I think that these things have the turn and stitch. I'm not a expert on skating or anything like that. So if you do want to get a much more detailed skateboarding impression over on these things, do check out Blue Tile Skateboards or just David Blue Tile over on his YouTube channel. But yeah, like I said, really nice nubuck all over the shoe, and it's actually really nice material. So like the leather swoosh, for instance, is a nice tumbled leather. You'll probably be able to tell right here. Nice tumbled leather on that white Nike swoosh. So they did use some nice materials. That white is also going to pop up on the Nike SB on the fat tongue. You are going to get the nice fat tongue here as well. You are going to get the Lycra tongue straps on the inside, so that thing, the tongue, stays nice and center when you are wearing these things. And you're going to get the white Nike SB hit on the insole right there as well. You are not going to get extra laces with these things, but they are going to come pre-laced with a nice oval black pre-laced right there. Really nice right there. And then obviously my favorite hits are just the white hits. So you get the white midsole right here, but that gum outsole, guys. Like, I'm a sucker for a gum outsole. Personally, I really love the touch of a gum outsole. It really kind of sets off any shoe that has it. And obviously the gum outsole is better and more tactile and grippy for skating. And then going around the heel of the shoe, you're going to get the nice old Nike branding right there in the white stitched. So like I said, guys, a really nice pickup for the collection. If you guys are interested in these things, they don't go for much over retail, which is a great thing, guys. 2023 is the year of copping for retail, or even in most cases right now, below retail, especially when it comes to retro Jordans. You can get those things like almost all these releases this year. They've been overproduced. And as far as a collector or just a sneakerhead in general, it's a great, great, great time to buy. One of the best times in history to buy, honestly, if you want really dope sneakers for your collection. So let me know, guys, have you guys picked up your pair of these things yet? Have you not? Are you waiting for a more of a discount, or are you just not interested in these things? Let me know all of that information down in the comment section below. If you did enjoy this video, make sure you guys are smashing that thumbs up button. And if you are new around here, also please hit that subscribe button, because your boy is sailing to that 1,000 subscriber mark. And I know for a fact that we're going to hit that by the end of this year. Like I said, guys, really quick and simple review. So that's going to do it for me. My name is Dylan. You guys just chilled with Dill. Me and the black and white gum. Nike SB Dunk Low. We're out. Peace.